In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Salesforce Inspector plugin to increase productivity. If you work with Salesforce regularly, you know how important it is to handle data efficiently. The Salesforce Inspector can be a game changer, making data management tasks both faster and easier. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Salesforce Inspector Chrome extension page. This tool is invaluable for anyone dealing with large datasets within Salesforce and is specifically designed to work seamlessly within the Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, simply click on Add to Chrome. This will begin the installation process and allow you to start using the tool in just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to log into your Salesforce organization. Doing this opens up all the capabilities of the Salesforce Inspector. You might notice a new icon appearing on the right side of your browser window, a grey arrow. This is the gateway to a variety of tools and functions. Simply click this arrow to expand the inspector menu and you'll be greeted with several options to choose from. Let's focus on exporting data first. Select Data Export from the menu. This option lets you write or paste a soql query. This is Salesforce's version of SQL. For example, you might input something like select id, name from account limit 10, to quickly gather insights. Once you have your query entered, simply click Export. After you click, you'll be presented with an option to copy your exported data in various formats, such as Excel, CSV, or JSON. Choose the format you need and copy it. You can then paste this data into a spreadsheet or any text editor that supports the format, making it easy to manipulate and analyze your data. Switching gears to data import, you'll navigate back to that trusty grey arrow and click on Data Import. Start by choosing the object you're importing data into, such as account. You'll want to have your data in CSV format, which is what the Salesforce Inspector accepts. You can either paste CSV data directly into the input area or upload a CSV file. After your data is in place, you have an important step, field mapping. This involves matching your CSV columns with the Salesforce fields. Once that's completed, simply click Import. This will upload your data directly into Salesforce, making it an efficient way to update or add to your records. Lastly, you can monitor your organization's limits by clicking on the Org Limits tab. This is incredibly useful for checking essential metrics like your API usage, storage limits, and the number of active users. Keeping an eye on these numbers helps you ensure that your org runs smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward rundown on how to make the most out of the Salesforce Inspector plugin. This tool is designed to significantly boost your productivity by simplifying complex data tasks. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful and that it aids you in your Salesforce endeavors. Thanks for watching.